A couple of days ago, I made a video titled Can Young Prime John Brzenk Beat Levan Saginashvili? John Brzenk has started a YouTube channel, so if you are not one of the 10,000 people who have already subscribed to him, please subscribe now. So John Brzenk made a reply video to the questions arising whether he could beat Levan or not in his prime, or whether Cleve Dean could beat Levan or not. In the video, John said that probably his frame was not big enough to beat Levan. He said that Cleve Dean could have been a better option to beat Levan. He was also from Georgia. And in the comment section also, John Brzenk clearly said that he could not have beaten Levan in his prime. Then John said something interesting, that he was natural till his 40s. Do you think you could have beaten Levan in your prime? John Brzenk says, no, because I was a natural light heavyweight, content on my performance. It wasn't until my 40s that I started TRT. And then the occasional missed dose. I don't know what that means. Probably you guys can tell me. Never had a reason to chase the craziness of today. Now, if you're asking me if it would have been possible, I really have no idea. Kind of glad I was never tempted. So to know that John did something without enhancement that nobody will ever be able to replicate is beyond amazing. Not that I have something against steroids, but this increased the level of respect we should have for this guy even further. Because John Brzenk did not become the GOAT in his 40s when he started TRT. By the time he entered his 40s, he was already the greatest arm wrestler of all times. That is madness. Next up in the news, we have Devon Larratt versus Hafthor Bjornsson. The match is less than 48 hours away and is available now for betting on StakeKings.com. I was totally ready to put my money on Hafthor in this fight because I thought that Devon is in trouble in this fight, but not that much trouble that it needs to be a survival stake. Survival stake means that Devon Larratt just needs to stand there for 3 rounds and you will win the bet placed on him. Hafthor needs to knock Devon out in the first 3 rounds. Now, there is no way I'm putting my money on Devon getting knocked out in the first 3 rounds. They have released a couple of videos about this match already. First one was Hafthor and Devon trying to do a bunch of trash talk that looked more like dad jokes where you have to prevent yourself from laughing. Second one was a press conference where all the fighters were present. And good to see that, as expected, the main focus was on Devon and Hafthor. Devon said that he has been competing throughout his life, so getting ready mentally is no big deal for him. It is really easy. But getting ready physically for this fight isn't.
Yeah, cosmic punch. Right in the nose, Thor. Get ready for it. And splat right in his face, right? That's what everybody wants to see. So I think if enough people in the universe will something to happen, Thor's nose is going to blow up regardless of how good I am as a fighter.
Please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who thinks like you. My name is Pradeep and I thank you so much for watching.